So we are here for tripleS, and we are actually meeting up with the KCON bros who saved me from dying in Japan. Yo, they're rolling up in a Genesis? Yo, what's up, Jesse? Man, y'all really rolling up in a Genesis? What's up, Alan? Oh.
How you been, man?
Good, you guys?
You got enough leg room?
Yeah, I'm good. Jesse repping that KCON. Let's go, let's go. So how have you guys been?
Tired.
Tired.
Hungry right now, but it's good.
I know, he went to Fromage
3 times.
and they went to Indy yesterday.
And
they got
Baby
their...
Monster for me.
Oh yeah, Baby Monster.
And BBG for both of us. Yeah, true.
And they got their phones picked up last night too.
Yeah, we did.
But yeah, he got his phone picked up by Kotone and
Chaeyeon.
Chaeyeon, yeah. And almost by Hayeon, but she ended the recording.
Unfortunate.
Technically, it was a pickup, but like, yeah.
And Jesse got Tony as well. And then this is Nora. This is Alan's wife. She likes BTS. But yeah, eating Shake Shack. By the way, it is our 4-month anniversary
Since KCON.
since KCON.
No way.
Oh, wow.
So yeah, we got our Airbnb. There's one room. There's Jesse. So the objects I bought at the showcase for the bros. They can finally sort it out.
We've already got our list.
Oh god. Chicago, Chicago. Okay, we're at Jollibee. Alan's first time.
Very good.
And my second time. And I assume it will be just as good.
So they sorted out their strawberry farm.
We did.
Gonna get employed by Chaeyeon.
Hey, there we are. This is Alan's.
So yeah, man, Jesse made these special custom just for us, bro.
That's for
Such
you.
a G, bro, such an artist.
And this is for our other friend, Lore. And then we got this one
We're gonna rep tomorrow, bro. Represent.
for me
Yeah.
and for my boy, Francis. We have the
Yeah.
most extensive one. Complete with his golden badge.
Hey. Hey. You wanna show the pants?
Oh yeah, sure.
Bro, look at that Lovolution style pants, bro.
And that's not the whole outfit. We
Oh,
also
oh.
got these.
Oh yeah, the bandanas. Y'all.
Yeah, that's what we'll be
Y'all.
rocking tomorrow.
Y'all hit him up, give him some money.
Send a little money my way. I can make stuff.
We at the cafe. Yep. Boba. So we at the Boba event. Got my PC holder.
And a bunch of outfits.
Yeah. So Laura's here, decked out in Chaeyeon ribbons.
Got the hair.
She got
Gotta represent, you gotta represent.
She got some good pulls too.
Yes, I did. Okay, hold on. Let me whip them out real quick. Well, I bought this from you, so
Yeah.
okay, kit to complete. I got Nakyoung,
Oh.
my wife. Got some Lynn. I got Kaede that I traded with Jesse. And then I got I gotta complete the set. You already know. I love her, she's so cute.
Okay, I'm not doing it.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
rock the waves tonight.
Many ways have been looking forward to. We finally got to perform Lip Pop for you.
You already know. Yes, bye. So nice meeting you guys. Bye.
Take care, take care. Bro, we got our phones picked up.
Insane.
So yeah, Jesse made us all. He made us all these.
I have no voice.
Bro.
I heard your voice crack through one of the
It was so
bad.
bad. I thought nothing could beat Love Evolution for me. This beat Love Evolution.
This was insane.
This beat Love Evolution. Thank you guys.
Yeah,
Thank you.
No, seriously, that was insane.
Cebu. Whale sharks. This is Alan's first time trying Chicago pizza. Oh, it's good that cheese doesn't freaking stick like forever. Yeah? Alright.
That's good.
Got the signed album. Mine didn't come with the object, but Jesse's came with 2, so thank God. Yeah, me and him got this Kaede, same thing. And then Alan got a Shinwi. Nice. So yeah, after Chicago, I stopped by San Fran, met another KCON bro, got another one-on-one op with Jiyeon. Got to show her the message she left me on the postcard from our fan call, and she was really appreciative of it. And then stopped by LA, met some more KCON bros, met a lot of other people too that I know, and including some famous ones like omgcece. Yo, she was so nice. And a fun fact, Jiyeon's family was actually at this show, so that was pretty cool. Yeah, then obviously the reason I came to LA was to attend the first US trading cafe. Unfortunately, I was stupid and I brought my camera or my phone with me into the hotel shower to listen to tripleS, so my camera was like scuffed for the whole thing. So this is actually my friend's footage, so credits to him. I was sitting next to him like the whole time. So I got Shion, and I actually had another wave like record me and take pics of me, but that wave is not active on Instagram and I didn't get his Discord, so he's taken forever to reply to me. He hasn't replied at all really. But yeah, so this is kind of my only proof that I traded with Shion for now. Q&A was scuffed, but our one-on-ones were fun. And yeah, that was the tour for me. Just want to thank all the waves that we met / vibed with throughout the whole tour. Hope you guys enjoyed the shows. And yeah, I guess we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank y'all for watching, and peace.